Hey guys, it's Cassie coming at you with another video, and today's video is going to be a little bit on the short side because I do not have a lot of time. It is Thursday night right now. I have to film this video, edit it, and get it up by tomorrow night to go back to my regularly scheduled videos on every Friday because BeautyCon really kind of messed things up a little bit, like in a good way, in the best way possible. But I have to work hard in order to start my every Friday schedule back up again. So what we're doing today is hair related. I'm going to show you guys how you can give yourself a blowout basically. I did this hairstyle for BeautyCon. Obviously I'm going to be doing it a little bit different because I have this thing going on up here. I am just wearing the hair I wore to work, and I'm going to show you guys how to get that volume and that curl on the ends just by using a straightener and this bad boy. Alright, so let's get right on into it. I'm not the prettiest you've ever seen, but I have my moment. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a straightener, obvi. So I've got a butterfly clip to hold up my hair while I'm straightening or curling. And then I've got a ponytail to hold the hair that I have already curled / straightened, whatever. Then we keep moving from the bottom all the way up to the top until we're done. It's so hot up here right now, guys. Like, you have no idea how hot it is in my office right now. We're finally getting some of that spring weather. Can you even call it spring weather when it's pretty much summer weather by this point? So from here, we're going to be taking the bottom pieces and separating them in half. Usually what I do also is I put some oil in my hair just to make sure that the ends stay protected from the heat. But we're just gonna wing it. So you go all the way down to the bottom, and then you take your straightener, and instead of going straight down and curling up like this, you're going to take it forward and curl like this. It's going to give you a little curve like this, and it's going to give your hair a little detail. If you want to, you can also make the curl direction a little bit more intense. See how I did that? And what you have to do for that is you just bring it forward more and just twist the barrel more. It'll give you something like that. I personally like it this way a lot better. I'm going to do that to this side. And there we go. See, that looks a lot better to me. I don't know. Alright, and then I'm going to take the hair that I've already curled, and I'm going to use my hair tie to keep it sectioned away from everything else. I try not to make the pony too tight either, because you don't want it to have a crimp in it. Because the hair, when it's hot, it will take any shape that you give it. So until it cools down, you don't want to be giving it a weird crimp. Alright, next section of hair. All the way down to the end, and then oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Alright, for this section, it actually didn't work because there's just too much hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break it up into two. Alright, there we go. Look at that. So yeah, my hair is thick. I just gotta, it's high maintenance. Too much at any point, just go over it again real quick like that and just brush your fingers through it just to soften it. There we go. in a lot more shape than we did when we first started, and this is why I love doing this look. Honestly, I don't know why I stopped. So now that we're done with the straightener, I'm going to turn that off. We're going to go in with Dry Bar's Triple Sec, and we're going to give this a little bit of lift. And that's it. We're done. So again, I used the Dry Bar Triple Sec. This works amazing. I love this stuff. And the straightener that I got is the one I showed you guys in my last video. I got this at Walmart. It's the Remington straightener, the one in black and gold. The heating plates, they're just so soft, so good for your hair. They're ceramic, I think. A lot of shine, a lot of smoothness. Alright guys, I'm going to go now and try and edit this video for Friday. We'll see how that works. Don't forget to check out my socials. This is my Instagram, and this is my Twitter. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!